Hi mga kachupa, nandito kami sa Hobby Lobby at magbibili kami ng mga pang Christmas decor dahil malapit na ang Christmas. No, this one.
That one?
Yeah, this is the one I like.
Okay. So kasi sa time to get, then we could find decorations.
So pero hindi namin siya ngayon bibilihin, sa end of November na namin siya bibilihin. Ang bibilin lang namin for today is yung mga pang Christmas decor.
7-foot actual slim Bristol.
Medyo malaki siya.
It's about $100.
Because they have a 6-foot. Because this one is very big. This one is 5-foot.
Okay.
I think so this one here. Tingin tayo ng mga Christmas. There. Oh yeah, here.
Yeah,
this is the one that. That one is. Tingnan natin. Kasi medyo maano siya eh, oh. Medyo maliit. This is very small. See? The one that I see there is very good. See? This one is a lot.
7 foot it is. So you just have to get the small stool so you can reach up on top.
Yeah. So, ganito yung bibili namin.
We'll come back in November.
So, ito yung mga Christmas decor niya. Naka 50% ngayon ng Hobby Lobby. So, ang pipiliin natin is yung pang aesthetic. Asan ba dito yung pang aesthetic? Ayun, so cute, B.
It's just some of it. They have a lot more.
Joy to the world. Do you like this? This one.
This is what I like. This one. This one.
It's so cute.
Tacos. Look at some.
That's all food.
This one. Thank the Lord.
Cute.
We have many goodies.
Ang cute naman nito. Pero masyado expensive. So, tingin muna tayo sa internet kung anong mas magandang decor. Kung anong combination ng mas maganda.
This is?
Honey.
It's money.
That's cute. I'm gonna go look in the internet first. The best. Oh, mushroom. Here you go.
Mushrooms.
But I want the skinnier.
They have a small one here too, the red one.
It's cute. We should get the red one. What do you think? Cute niya. Hindi, tingin po na tayo. Ano to? Okay, I want to buy this.
Candles in there.
There's a light here already.
We were just here for Christmas decoration.
This is a Christmas decoration. Where's the other Christmas decor?
I'm sure they have it around here somewhere.
Oh, wait.
Next time, we're just here for Christmas decoration. For Christmas decoration, so there's more than this.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see what the Christmas.
Baby, what do you like? The green one or this one?
Green is better.
Because this one is, I think in the long run, the white is fall down.
Yeah, so I like the green.
Because I have that in the Philippines before.
Yeah, Philippines. Yeah. Those, you got those up there.
Wow.
Snowballs. And all kinds.
So my I think
You get to decorate the tree.
ayun cute
This
na
is too
ano
heavy for
ito.
the tree. This is probably for all the way at the top.
What about this one?
You like that one?
I'm gonna get this one.
Snowflake.
Or maybe this one. So more design.
You want this one?
I want the green and the white combination. Like it?
Okay. These are all the same.
Okay. Add to cart. So tingin tayo dito ng white balls. So we should put this one on the top.
That's for the top.
Or this one. I think this one is much cheaper. Look.
You like that one?
I think the glitters is fall down.
Yeah, I don't think that's for the top.
It is for the top.
We should get something like this. And we just plug in there, it'll last longer.
Okay, we should get the smaller
Or
one.
that one, or that one, or that one. You want that one? The small one?
Can we keep looking?
Keep looking, keep looking.
The white combination. Wow, B. Wanna buy these?
This is for hanging on the Christmas tree.
So beautiful. Should get that one.
You want to get this one?
Yeah.
This is $5.
What is that?
These are like icicles. It hangs on the tree too.
They don't have example how the Christmas tree decor. They don't have here.
They don't, but like I said, if you want, you just try it on the tree.
Try it.
And you're gonna know.
Wow. Are you gonna buy Christmas light too?
Of course.
I like this kind of color. We should buy 5.
5. That's $5 each. 5 times 5, that's $25 already. Special items like this, you only need 1 or 2. And then the rest of the stuff, you should use like generic stuff. Yes.
Wow.
Or you could just buy like the balls and then the packed balls like that. And then you spread it throughout. And then occasionally, you have a few special items on there. That's what these are for. These are like special items. You buy packs like that, and then you put it on there.
Here.
We have lots of different ones.
This is for aesthetic.
I mean,
You get the bigger one.
up here,
Oh, this one.
this one. This
Let
one
me see.
is $3.99, so we can only get one of these. So this is a special mushroom.
They have glitters, B.
Do you want it or no?
No, because I don't want glitters on the floor.
They don't last very long. And
Yeah.
on the floor.
Thank you. What else? This one.
You like that one?
How? That's a
Well, it's not real popcorn, but
I feel I wanna eat popcorn. So, ito yung mga design nila dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong design ng aming Christmas tree. Wala kasi akong nakita ng ano.
You never put a Christmas tree together?
Okay, I feel like I like this. Cute. There's another different aisle for the Christmas tree. Here, oh. This is golden brown. This is golden brown. Ang ganda. Maganda yata yung pag gold. Ito naman pag pink. Ito pag gold. Ito naman pang silver. Ang gusto ko sana yung white.
Gold and silver eye. We got everything.
Ito. Here. Colorful. Do you like Christmas tree colorful?
See, here are some examples right here.
Can we buy this for our door? Something like that.
For the front door?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a small one, but these are too big.
Is that too big for you? Oh, here. I don't like ventilators. Ang dami magaganda. Oh my God. I can't believe.
They're getting ready for Christmas already.
Mm-hmm.
You want to buy a small one?
That's so small. That was super small. Ugly.
Just a small one.
Hey. I cannot decide.
You cannot decide. We'll go home. We'll come back next time.
Can't decide. Wala kasi ako makita magandang idea eh. Dito merong red. Dito mga red. Dito, ang dami mga color. Parang gusto ko yata yung ano.
The theme color is usually red, green, and gold. That's Christmas. The theme color for Christmas.
Cute oh. Meron akong ganito sa Philippines. Sana dadala ko na. Ano. Mahal dito eh. What do you like the color for Christmas? Red, white, or colorful?
Green, and gold. That's the main theme color.
But I want to be a colorful, like a lot of candies. Ayan.
Sweet candy.
Diba?
It's up to you. You can design it however you want.
Since ang motive ko nga is white, gusto kong bumili ng ganito.
Gingerbread house.
Ang cute din oh.
Gingerbread house.
Parang ang sarap niyang kagatin. You wanna have a white Christmas?
I think we're gonna have white Christmas.
I mean snow?
So tasty. Cake, donuts.
Hindi ko alam ano namin ng Christmas plan.
Have a lot of goodies. You like?
Ala, is this a real candy?
No, it's not. It's just for show.
Ang cute.
It's for hanging on the tree.
Ang cute naman. This is for candy.
Fake marshmallows. Everything's fake. That's for the
Gundo.
Christmas decoration.
I wanna buy this babe. Ang cute ng mga Christmas si Santa Claus.
It's awesome.
God. Ang ganda-ganda. Ito ano to? Parang carton emerald lang na ano. Tapos pininturahan. Tignan mo, natatanggal siya. Kaya ayokong bumili ng mga ganyan. Mga ganito okay pa siguro. Ano? Colorful ang ating Christmas tree. Diba? Do you really like the colorful, like a lot of this, or only white and green?
Like everything. Everything is good. A little bit of this is good too.
Look, oh.
This here, that's awesome.
Kaya lang kasi ano natatanggal kasi.
Ice cream cones here.
Natatanggal kasi siya.
These here. With cotton candy. We got so many goodies. Lollipop. I've never had these. It's actually quite tasty.
Not for me.
And me and my brother, when he was small, my dad got this one, and it was so good.
Parang mas maganda yung colorful na Christmas tree. I think the good one is colorful.
Anything is good, depending on
what the one that we buy? White, mushroom. Oh, diba?
Cupcakes.
Ang cute niya. $7. Medyo mahal nga lang. Cotton candy view. It looks like it's real.
All the goodies.
Diba? Sarap kainin. Nakikisama rin sa nakikisama rin sa laro no?
There's cool too.
I think we should have a colorful Christmas tree.
Yeah, it's up to you.
But if we buy colorful, we should buy the white Christmas tree. Because that's the motif. If you buy the
green can go with it too.
No, it's not. It's ugly. It's not gonna see the colorful.
We're gonna get the white.
White pa maganda or green? Kasi bet ko sana pang aesthetic lang. Bet ko sana yung pang aesthetic lang ba sa bahay. Yung green and white, okay din naman yung green and white. Kaya lang, ang hirap mag-decide. Ito, may mga unan. Walang kama. I can't decide this. What the heck? What is happening to me?
So many.
Tinkerbell, Tinkerbell,
You got your mushrooms. So, that was really easy. Mushrooms. You have 3 mushrooms.
Ano ba yun, nakakainis? Kasi walang internet dito, hindi tuloy ako makapag-search ng ng motif ko. Ayoko kasi bumili lang. Tapos hindi siya bagay dun sa sa motif ko. What is this for?
People just hang it in their house.
Pag bumili tayo, Kiki will always play this.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
I think those they hang it in the door. Let's just see.
What? Let me see.
What's it say?
Christmas. Only Christmas.
That's all?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think these are they hang it on the doors.
This one is much expensive.
Well, I think these you could put it on a tree too. It goes around the tree, or you hang it by the door.
Oh.
Yeah, I think some people they tangle it around the tree because I just remember I see these. It goes around
Pero ito
the tree.
maganda nabili ko. Maganda siya. Kaya lang sana hindi siya mabilis masira.
That hangs on the tree. These also hang on the trees.
How many is that? 4 pieces?
Yeah, 4 pieces.
Only 4? Tapos ang mahal-mahal na.
Multi-pack winter bite. They hang on the tree.
So, hindi ko alam kung paano bang gagawin namin. This one.
Yeah, but that's not for the tree. We're just here to get decorations for the tree.
Try muna namin kung bagay ba. Parang, it looks like ugly, isn't it?
I don't know if you want to see an example. That's what it looks like. This one looks good, but the mushrooms, I don't know. A little weird.
Pag ito kasi kinuha namin, ayoko yung natatanggal yung ano niya, oh.
Well, you can always just change the screw, so it's, you don't see it as much. The brown string, it's not so good. You can always change it to a string like this.
Pag ito kasi, bagay ito dito. Yan, oh. This one is much for that one. But I don't like to get that kind of tree.
But if you put it on the tree like this, you can't really see it that well because it's already white too.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You can hardly see it.
But this one, oh, this one is much to this.
Yeah.
We should. They have a flower white.
You can look.
I think we should get this one too.
These are icicles.
Yeah.
You like these? Okay.
$4. But I think the mushroom, I'm gonna put it back.
You still want to get this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna put the mushrooms back.
Yeah. Can I get this one?
No.
Ito kasi pang ano eh, pang... I think this one is for Halloween. Yeah, this is for Halloween. So, hindi tayo pupunta dyan. Let's go back there. Guys, nakita ko na ang flowers. Nandito pala siya sa section na to. So, tingin pa tayo ng iba't ibang kulay. No? Pero ang gusto ko nga is white Christmas tree. Because this one is good.
Where are you gonna put this?
On the Christmas tree.
At the top?
No.
You should go test it. Test it first before you buy
Ang
it.
ganda. Kaya lang ayoko nga yung may glitters.
Hold on.
Kasi na ano siya. Ano pa ba yung white dito? Maganda rin to. Ayoko yung ganyan. Ito, ano to? Ay, ang cute! What is this one?
Just fancy designs.
It's cute.
I think most of these are outdoor decorations. This is not for tree.
We'll try this one. This one. I think this one.
Yeah, a lot of these are outdoor decorations. It's not for tree.
This is for Christmas tree.
No, it's not.
What do you mean outdoor?
Meaning that you put it outside your house.
It's not.
Yeah,
It is for Christmas
they
tree.
plug it into the ground.
It's not. Maybe.
Okay, you could try it, but I don't think it's gonna work out good.
I'll tell you, huh? I tell you. Let's go to the Christmas tree first, and then we should try a lot of that. And then I don't like this one. Where's the balls?
You've been walking by them like over and over and over and over and over.
Okay, balik tayo dito, ha? Pakuha lang tayo ng mga pang-design. Try natin sa Christmas tree doon. Dito, ano ba rito na yan? Let me see. I have something here that I see. This is the one I see. Ang cute. Ang cute niya, puro bahay siya. Okay, let's go to the Christmas tree. Okay, tingnan natin yung mga.
You get one this big.
You should get this one. And then I'm gonna put some white something in there. Okay, we're gonna get the Christmas white balls. Let's see here. Because this is the one that they have it. So we should get this one.
White balls.
Should get this. Hey, it's a lot.
Well, it's supposed to be. It's a set.
But I want to have a different sizes.
Then you get different ones.
Okay. Cannot fit anymore. I want this one. And
try these other ones first.
Try natin. Aray, hindi na ako may ass hurt. Try na, let's go. Try natin siya dito.
Whichever one you want to try on.
This one is gonna put it there, and then this one you're gonna put like this. You're gonna open it a little bit so it's bigger, and then put it there, something like that. Don't focus, huh? And then this one, put it on the other side, but just an example lang.
Yes, we're just doing example. See what it looks like.
And then it falls down to me. Let's see what's the good one. So this one, I think this one is better. See? Try natin lahat. Huh? Kiki gonna play with this bird.
He's gonna get it and it's gonna fall.
Can you open?
No, you cannot.
Here. Can I open?
If it's not tape, you can open it.
It's tape.
If it's tape, you cannot.
I think I'm gonna get this one, this one, this one.
I think
this one.
Yeah, not this one. This one looks good. That one's okay too.
Where is the okay? This one.
How much is that one?
$12. 4, 2, 4.
$13.
8 pieces.
It's okay if you like that one. I don't personally like it, but if you like it.
I was thinking to get this one. Because this one is much too, because it's white. Like it?
Probably all the way at the top.
So, uwi na kami. Nakabili. Hindi muna kami bibili ng Christmas tree. Sa part 2 na yon. Part 1 muna to. So, ito nga. Bike muna kami. Sabi ng asawa ko, pagkabit daw nila yung bike namin, kukunin daw nila yung stop sign na nakawin din nila, no? So, ito, ang motif naming Christmas tree is white Christmas tree with the white Christmas ingredients. And then, green Christmas tree. Kasi ayoko yung naglalaglagan yung mga glitter sa, sa carpet. Nahirap, linisin. Tsaka madumi siya, madumihin siya. So, uwi na kami. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili namin. Magbabike lang kami. Mga kachupa, kauwi lang namin. Galing Hobby Lobby. Nahuhusa ka ng pera ng asawa ko. Sabihin, yung vlogger na na lagi nag-uubos ang pera ng asawa. Chinisus, So, i-reveal na po natin na mga pinamili naming Christmas decor sa Hobby Lobby kasi naka 50% off sila ngayon. So, sa part 2 nito, ipapakita ko naman kung paano namin at saan namin ilalagay yung Christmas tree na bibilin namin kasi hindi pa kami bumili ng Christmas tree dahil nag-bike lang kami. So, siguro mabibili kami mga katapusan or katapusan ng October. Hindi ko alam kung kailan pero meron akong i-share sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili naming decor at kung magkano, kung maganda ba ang quality, ano pa ba, kung kamahal-mahal o kamura-mura, kung kagamit-gamit ba talaga o pakikinabangan ba talaga o maganda talaga sa Christmas tree. So, eto kasi yung mga binili natin na pang Christmas tree, pang decor, Christmas decor. Siyempre, gusto ko rin naman ma-experience dito sa Amerika ang Pasko ng Pilipinas. 'Di ba? Kasi yung last time na Christmas tree ko, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yung motif ko ng Christmas tree ko is iba't ibang kulay ng bulaklak. Pero ang mga kulay naman ng aking mga bulaklak is mga light color lang, hindi yung dark. So for today's video, ang mga binili ko lang na pang decor is white na may konting kulay red. So pakita ko sa inyo kung anong mga itsura. At nakamagkano kami dahil naka 50% ngayon ng Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, kunin niyo na ako para mag-introduce ng inyong mga paninda, di ba? Tapos may mga mga Pinay na mayayaman. Pumunta lang ng Amerika para pumunta ng Hobby Lobby, Ano kaya? Meron kayang ganun? Siguro naman meron kasi may mayayaman talaga tulad ni Small Laude. Shout out Small Laude, baka naman. Sinabi ko si Small Laude, Diba? Ang gaganda talaga sa Hobby Lobby. Hindi ko na nilibot lahat dahil lagi naman kami napunta ron. So, pumunta lang tayo doon dahil bumili lang tayo ng mga pang Christmas decor. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung number 1 na binili namin. Christmas ball! Okay! Itong Christmas ball is binili ko siya kasi siya white tapos may mga crystal nga kaya nga tinawag crystal diba? Ano kaya yun, diba? So ito binili lang namin ng $12.99. So 50% off, magkano na lang yun. So hindi ko alam, hindi ako magaling sa math. So okay na, kaya bahala. Hobby Lobby. So pangalawa naming binili ang tawag dito, winter white nakalagay dito. So 4 pieces siya. Lahat ng Christmas decor na binili namin sa Hobby Lobby is 50% off. So hindi ka na maghahanap ng mga ano ba to, 50% off ba to? Hindi. Lahat po na Christmas decor, as long as Christmas decor, 50% automatically 50% off na siya. So, ito is nagkakahalaga ng $6.99. Ay, $5.99. So, $6 na siya. Mahigit. Tapos, ito pa. Matutuwa ito si Kiki. So, ito, may kling-kling. Kaya, naging $10.99. Sabihin, nag-ano tayo. So, ayan. Pangatlo nating binili. Pang-apat na binili ko. Ito, medyo maganda to. Kaya lang medyo mahal. Ay, hindi. $4.99. So, medyo maganda. Gusto ko nga bumili ng 3 pa. Para meron siyang partner kasi isa lang nabili ko. So, ang ganda niya, no? Pang mayaman. Sabihin ng yaman mo talaga. So, dahil wala siyang kapares, bumili na lang ako ng mga gantong kaek-ekan para naman na meron siyang kasama. O, diba? So, ito, $399 lang. So, ito, pang forever mo na talaga siya magagamit. Depende sa'yo kung paano ka gumamit ng Christmas tree. Kung hinangata mo ba yung Christmas tree o hindi. So, depende talaga sa'yo. Baka maubos ang Christmas tree. O kaya, may mga malilikot na kamay na kapitbahay na pumupunta sa inyo. Kinukuha bawat isang design ng Christmas tree nyo. Ay, naku, itakwil mo na. So, ito. So, ayan. Tsaka, ano na tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito naman is pang-anim. Ito is Christmas, ang tawag dito? Ornaments. So, ayan siya. Para siyang mga nanigas na yelo. Diba? So, tatanong, magkano po yan, Winnie? Binibenta online. Ginawa ng online. So, ito ay $4.99. Sabihin, bagay ka magbenta ng mga bagay-bagay. Sabihin sa akin. So, ito ang pinaka-highlight ng aming Christmas tree. Since, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang gusto kong Christmas tree is white lang na motif namin ng Christmas tree. So, bumili kami ng tiyanan! Nagandahan talaga ako rito kasi medyo malaki siya at saka very simple and elegant lang. So, ito is $8.99. So, 50% lahat. So, magkano yan? Wala na kayo. So, bumili ako ng 3 na ito. Ayan, 3. Sabihin, joke mo kami, hindi 3, 1 lang yan. Ang dami na lang, lahat na lang yun. So, pakita natin para matuwa yung mga mga manonood. So, kung wala pa kayong motif sa inyong tahanan, kasi ang aking asawa ayaw pang maglagay ng Christmas tree kasi nga hindi pa daw Christmas. Sabi ko, hindi. Marunong ka pa sa akin. Kasi sa Pilas, September pa lang dahil nagkakabit ako ng Christmas tree kasi gustong-gusto kong nakikita yung pagka nakakakita ko ng Christmas tree. Parang ang saya ng bahay ba na ay malapit na yung Pasko, magbibigay na naman, maubos na naman yung pera ko, yung mga ganon. Kahit sabihin wala ka naman pera, tsaka wala naman ako natatanggap sa'yo, ninang. Tanggap sa akin dahil nagtatago no? Pasensya po sa mga inaanak ko nagigipit po ang ninang, naubos ang pera dahil sa Christmas tree nila. Okay? Susunod na. Sabi, sinoli yung kandila So, ayan, 3 po siya. Ang ganda very elegant nga. So, may nabibili nito sa gantong-ganto yung aking design. Pero, ang mga kulay nila is light pink, peach, meron pang dark pink. Kasi parang iba-ibang nakalimutan ko na yung design ng aking Christmas tree noon sa Philippines. Pero gantong-ganto. So, nabili ko lang siya sa SM department store. Diba sa SM department store, maraming Christmas decor dyan. So, bumili na lang kayo doon. Sa 100 plus, 120 something. Yung mga nabili kong isang flowers, 100. Pero dito is $8.99. So, medyo mahal. Kasi kung i-convert nga sa pera natin, mahigit 500 na. 500 isa. Pero dahil naka 50% off, hindi ko na alam kung magkano. Sabi, ang bubo mo naman. Sabihin, mag-graduate ka ng college, hindi ka marunong mag 50% off. But ikaw, alam mo. Charot lang. Inaway yung manonood no? Hindi, ikaw na lang mag-compute kasi ako pagdating sa computan, wala na. Tawa na lang. So, ayan. Ang ganda nyo. Ito talaga yung highlights ng aming Christmas tree. So, antayin nyo yung aming part 2. Dahil, sa part 2 na to, doon nyo makikita yung aming Christmas tree. White Christmas tree ang tawag doon. Pero ang aming Christmas tree is color green. Dahil pagka bumili ako ng white Christmas tree, hindi na makikita ang aming mga design. Diba? So, ayan na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pang 7 na yon. So, ito naman yung ating pang 8 na design. So, bumili kami ng ganito. Para siyang ano, no? Ang ganda. Ito, ginawang headband. Kasi nung nag-angel ako sa, angel ka, demonyo ka, sabi nga gano'n, no? Nag-angel kasi, di ba, pag may mga Santa Cruzan, sinasali ako ng nanay ko sa angel. Bumibili siya ng beads, tapos, kinakabit niya sa, ang tawag dito, may kabitan, basta may parang hairpin, gano'n, o kaya alambre na puti, na parang ganto, kinakabit niya sa, pulupot sa ulo ko, para maging halo. O, diba? So, kaya sabi ko, ay, parang angel, naalala ko yung mag-angel ako, kasi, yun nga yung kinakabit dito sa ulo, kolorete. Wala kasi akong picture nung nag-angel ako, sabihin, ay, kamukha mo nga si ano, diba? Si Mahal. So, ito, bumili ako, at ang mura lang naman is $1.99. So, may 50% off din to. Kasi lahat nga ng Christmas tree decors, may 50% off. So, ito naman, pang ilan na yun? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ito na yung pang 9 natin. Kaya binili namin tong mag-asawa dahil sabi ng asawa ko is parang teardrops nga, yung parang ulan na ano, tears of happiness, 'di ba? So, bumili kami ng 3. Sabi ko nga dapat 5. Dapat 5. Sabagay, babalik pa kami. Wala pa kasi kami binibili yung para sa taas ng Christmas tree. At saka kailangan namin bumili ng Christmas tree. So, sabi ng asawa ko, yung ganito daw, sa garden daw to tinutusok. Sabi ko, halatang hindi kayo nag-Christmas tree nung bata. Ano? Kasi yung asawa ko, first time niya lang. Hindi naman sa pinagtatawa yung asawa. Para kasing naawa ako sa aking asawa na wala siyang kaalam-alam sa mga decor na pagdating sa Christmas tree, ganyan. Sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, pagka nakita mo yung Christmas tree na ginawa ko, sasabihin mo, I'm the best. You're the really good designer. Gaganin ako ng asawa. So sabi niya, okay, sige, bilhin na natin. Total maganda rin naman. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ito para sa garden. Ano ka ba? Ginanong ko na lang siya. Kasi ang akala niya, yung tinutusok nga daw to sa garden. Sabi ko, hindi! So, sabi ko, ayan, sabi ko, bilhin na natin. So, magkano to is $3.99. So, parang nga siyang parang ulan, 'di ba? Na malalaki ang patak, 'di ba? Pumili kami ng 3. So, pagka bumalik kami sa susunod, bibili ulit ako ng 2 para tagli 5. Tapos yung flower, 2 pa. Inubos yung pera. So, ito yung pang 9 nating design. Ang ganda rin, no? Sana sa Philippines meron din ganito, no? Feeling ko naman lahat naman may ganito sa Philippines, pero iba-iba lang ang design, iba-iba lang kung paano sila gawin, 'di ba? So ayan yung ating pang 9. Ito naman ang ating pang 10. Dahil dahil mahilig sa candy ang aking mga stepkids. Bumili kami ng ito ang highlights. Ito ang candy. So, kasi, sabi ko nga, parang hindi babagay kasi may red, tapos may green, tapos puno ng white. Sabi ko nga, so ito, sabi sa akin ng asawa ko, ito daw yung highlights ng aming Christmas tree. Dahil ito daw ang kakaibang color. So, sabi ko, oh sige, bahala ka na. Tapos, bumili kami ng 4 lang, dahil 3.99 siya. So, ayan, sabi ko nga, pagka nagkulang sa Christmas tree, pwede pa naman tayong bumalik dahil malapit lang tayo sa Hobby Lobby. So, ayan. Ito yung aming pang 10 na design. So, natutuwa ako. Excited na akong ikabit yung aming Christmas tree. So, pagka kinabit namin yung aming Christmas tree, dito ko na lang siya ilalagay. Dahil, Malapit siya sa saksakan. At saka wala naman masyadong nakalagay dito. So, ang bibili lang namin Christmas tree is yung slim Christmas tree. So, ayun lang, para magkasya. Kasi ayoko ng malaking Christmas tree dahil malaki din ang sako. Eh, maliit lang ang aming living room. Ayoko naman nakaharang din, diba? Tsaka pag lalaruin ng pusa. So, bala ko sana, mga kachupa, dito ko ilagay sa tabi ng bintana ba. Eh, kaya lang nandyan na yung aking yung aking lamp at saka yung aking fake plants. So, hindi ko alam kung hindi ko alam kung dyan ba namin ilalagay or doon or dito. Hindi ko talaga maalam. So, lahat ng nagastos namin is $60.25. So, medyo mahal na rin pag kinonvert mo sa sa peso. So, ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood at walang hawang sawang magsubaybay sa aming video. At sa mga natutuwa laging nanonood sa akin, maraming salamat po. Sana gabayan kayo ng Panginoon at sana lahat ng mga hinihiling natin ay matupad na, diba? Maraming salamat mga kachupa. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel.